Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another Ogbonge news. Today, the IGP, the Inspector General of Police in Nigeria, the man when give 2 billion naira bribe to retain that position when he did. The news been they tell us say the man him be give them the 2 billion naira for the government to extend his tenure till 1 year. But unfortunately, the government can claim say okay, now only 3 months when they go extend. Rich say they not go extend the man tenure past 3 months according to the news when we don't see. But to my greatest surprise, I can see man IGP don't bust out from nowhere with his cronies. Can they claim say he don't gather all his people when go help him find the fight when he go take sue the able leader of Sahara Reporters, Omoyele Sowore. So I can't say I will share this news with my fans because una know say now so people they come out they want to Sowore. Everybody in Nigeria wants to Sowore. I don't understand. Everybody in Nigeria wants to Sowore. Anybody when come and say he wants to Sowore, no say that person a bad person in that country. Anybody when they claim say he wants to Sowore in that country, no say na bad person be that person. That person hand not clean. Because Sowore and his Sahara Reporters, they don't feel lie to you. They don't feel come out, come they talk waiting not happen or waiting not be. So Sahara Reporters claim say this man when be the IGP Adamu lobbied with 2 billion naira. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a lot of money. That is the kind of money when Davido then get to. Make una dey hear am now. That is the kind of money then they claim say like P Square them get 2 billion, 3 billion equivalents. Now him he take lobby so that he go be in office for 3 months. But the news been saying now in the lobby for 1 year. But later, the people went in the lobby, they come say no, say they no give them 1 year, they will give them 3 months. So how can you lobby for 3 months with 2 billion when you want to get back the money? And beside where the IGP, this is another question where you feel ask these people, where IGP, just Inspector General of Police, get 2 billion? How many years now? This man is not up to 4 years there. Let's say 2.5 years now, this man be in position. Where this man get this kind of money? So the reason why I come out today is say I want to let Nigerian people know say Sowore not be somebody when you go sue, when you go succeed. A lot of people don't try to sue this guy. They not succeed because Sowore get evidence before you go right say you do something. In get evidence on you when commit that crime like this man now when go lobby with 2 whopping billion naira to retain his position. Beside the thing when they tell us, say if somebody don't, the date of somebody's retirement don't reach, or the year when the person go one retire don't reach, now retire the person go retire. Which one be say the same people? They don't tell us, oh this man go retire. See the date when he go take retire. Retire not be resign, ladies and gentlemen. Retired, which means the man don't serve to the extent of his retirement. They're not the extended retirement, ladies and gentlemen. That is why we claim, see, every time, see, Niger not be a country. IGP not be the only person when they Nigeria. Just exactly when they debunk them on this issue of ambassadorial appointments. When they appoint service chief, when they just retire, it never even reach 2 days, they don't give them another position. Now only the day Nigeria and all of these people, all na Fulani people. So a lot of people don't try to sue Sowore. It not they work because they know say them na evildoers. Dem know say dem know where when you wan carry Sowore case go, when you say, oh, I want in the cause defamatory, this one na libelous, this one na that, all the whole grammar dey their mouth, ladies and gentlemen. All these people, when they do this wayo, APC and PDP, the retired soldiers, the army, the ones when they serve, all of them, I say big grammar when not make sense, they on our mouth. If they speak grammar, not mean say we must believe wetin you dey yarn, because we already know your activities. We already know all of una when they do all this is what una they do. Forget your grammar, because your grammar no dey move anybody. Everybody sabi speak grammar. Person no dey speak grammar not mean say no know how to speak grammar. So now IGP come say he wan sue Sowore. I remember say get one guy went there for Lagos House of Assembly. When don claim say the man when they say the money when they give them when they suppose use, the man carry am with his mistress come run enter America. He go America, spend the money, finish, the man land back to Nigeria. He still there. That one don't brag. Say he go sue Sowore, nothing. A lot of them don't brag. Even the governors, all of them, they don't attack Sowore, say we go sue you. Oh yeah, Sowore is ready to follow you. So that is why we got to give kudos to Omoyele, Sowore, and Nnamdi Kanu. These people, they are honest leaders. They are pure freedom fighters. They are incorruptible. You can't corrupt them. So all this IGP now, this one don't come and say I must sue, I go sue. I don't all my legal people when go help me fight the fight. All of them don't show. I don't tell them how they want to sue Sowore. Oh yeah, we they wait for you, may still go sue Sowore. Because Sowore, you can't sue Sowore and Sahara Reporters and succeed. Because they know what they are doing. They are not like the feudal people. Even Sowore don't come out today again. Now, when they want this APC people, when they say they go rule Nigeria still, that cannot come. Sowore don't tell them say they fail when PDP don't fail. PDP don't brag before. Now APC they brag. So Sowore come clear and say they fail when PDP don't fail, una don't fail, and so Nigerian people go take reject una totally. Until all of una go know wetin una do una self in that country. APC is not a political party. PDP, they are not political parties. In fact, all the whole political parties in that Nigeria, they are not political parties. These are groups of criminals. Now we get in Nigeria. Tell me say you won't go sue Sowore. Oh yeah, go sue Sowore. Sowore, they wait for you. You paid 2 billion. IGP, ladies and gentlemen, paid 2 billion to retain his position when he's supposed go resign, go sit down for house with the family. My question is, where this man get 2 billion? Where you take go lobby for this position? Now, the breeze don't blow. They don't see you through who you be. And now, you won't come back on the top say, oh, I want sue. What are you suing? What are you suing, IGP? So make we read, make we see how IGP take brag, say, he wants to show Sowore. When they don't catch them, they will begin to threaten sue. It just be like when the APC government say you be freedom fighter. The next thing what they will do, they will go block your account. I hear today now say they don't block Sunday Igboho account. I don't know whether all account them block or I don't know whether Sunday get 20 account or 1 account or 2 account, but the news say they don't block Sunday Igboho account. IGP Adamu set to sue the hell out of Sahara Reporters. Okay? Set to sue the hell, neither so the right time out of Sahara Reporters. Can you imagine? These are not gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. Set to sue the hell out of Sahara Reporters. Alright? We will make we read. The Inspector General of Police IGP Muhammad Adamu said he has directed his legal team to commence legal action against Sahara Reporters. This followed a report by the online publication that Adamu spent 2 billion naira lobbying influential Nigerians to secure a tenure extension for 1 year. The paper Event claims that the money was a waste as the IGP only secured a 3 months extension. Instead of 1 year, when they won't give them brother, they can't give them only 3 months. Now, how come they want to say, even though say they give IGP this 1 year, how you want to recover this kind of money? And where this man get this kind of money? A public officer. You know, a public officer. How they get this kind of money? Where you get this kind of money? Okay, so Sahara Reporters now can't disgrace the man because now 1 year be go for they can't shut him up because they can't give us a excuse. Say the reason why when Buhari, because they claim more later say na Buhari, the reason why when Buhari extended his tenure till 3 months now because say they won't use that avenue to look for somebody. Then they look for somebody to look for who will become. Not be the next person, no, they won't look for. I say not be the deputy, they won't look for. Somebody won't go replace them. So that is why they extend them. And then do a lobby in the claim say no lobby. They continue. But in a reaction, the police high command described the report as untrue, unfounded, defamatory, and libelous. The same language all of them use. Even the one when they for Lagos, one I don't tell them before, when they inside their House of Assembly, all right, that one to the same way when they write them. When they talk about Borata, the same way when Borata write, they will say it is untrue, unfounded, defamatory, and libelous. The same language all of them use. These are fake people, fake set of people. Now in the rule Nigeria, fake set of people. The same language. Anytime they want to show of anything when they say Hindu, now the same language where they use. Even said so when I go court recently, it not come on time. Even the one they call Bakari, they can't say Bakari go pay some amount of money for disobeying the court because they're not going to reach court on time. Ijomo Ojuku said that one called the para. Even the man when they represent the government, they say, yeah, sure, that person where they don't pay 100,000. What is 100,000 when they pay sure? What is 100,000 when they pay sure? Say yeah, they don't government don't wash over 100,000 before sure got to pay back the money otherwise. You know this kind of nonsense. Because it depends them, say sure they open Nigerian people. It depends them, say sure they tell them the truth. It depends them, say sure no agree bow down. The same way it depends them for Nnamdi Kanu. So that's why they tell them say anything when I talk about Nnamdi Kanu, I won't go arrest him, I won't do this, make we arrest. You still get another news one come yesterday. When they come, one guy come they claim say if Buhari no arrest 4 people now they mention their names. Number 1 there when they call Nnamdi Kanu. Number 2 na Sunday Igboho. Number 3 na Sowore. And number 4 na Abubakar Shekau, the leader of the Boko Haram people. I can't they wonder which kind of people be all this one when they in Nigeria. How you go compare Nnamdi Kanu or Sowore? Or they don't talk say they won't arrest Hesmin. They don't talk about Hesmin. They don't talk about Miati Allah. They don't talk about people when they perpetrate all this crime in Nigeria. Now people when they fight freedom, the only person among them when be the terrorist now the Abubakar Shekau, the leader of the sect Boko Haram. Why they go put Nnamdi Kanu and Sowore and Sunday Igboho and Shekau together? Why they not say they won't arrest people when they kill people like all these S-men people? They're not talking. Then they say if they're not arresting Nnamdi Kanu, Nigeria no go dey stable. If they arrest Sowore and Sunday Igboho, Nigeria no go dey stable. Meaning say all of them are terrorists. That's so then they just brand them. In fact, the other man, why they call shark? You get one why they call shark when one swallow money again. The one where they call shark, don't tell them say IPOB and these people say all of them are terrorists. Even Sunday Igboho, even Sowore, all of them are terrorists. That is they are met. The man will go meet the bandit in the bush. Now shark na be name. In one swallow money again. Una know na if money miss, they go say na python, they go say na shark, then go that man na shark because inter-government say make government money when them budget for security, make government carry and give am, make him go give the bandit when they inside forest until the issue of this banditry go end. Can you imagine? Himself they suppose arrest that man. Then we not see army in nation, police not swing in nation, Adamu then hide, all of them they hide their head inside. Those people are the people sponsoring terrorism in Nigeria, including Atiku Abubakar. Because we don't see the man with Atiku Abubakar many times in different occasions. Waiting Atiku Abubakar get to do with that kind of person when they go visit deadly terrorists inside the forest. The man go come out, nothing. But ordinary person, you go there, you will not fit come out there. You not even fit near that road. How come only that shark, that man they call shark, Ahmed? How come only that man go inside the forest and the man come back? These terrorist people, they not hunt the man. That's to show you see all na their plan. So they will continue with this same man when go lobby with 2 billion naira. Because we want to know the reason why he lobby with 2 billion naira. Okay. I repeat, the paper even claimed that the money was a waste as the IGP only secured a 3-month extension. But in reaction, the Police High Commission described the report as untrue, unfounded, defamatory, and libelous. The force wishes to state categorically that the extension of service of the IGP was strictly the prerogative of President Muhammadu Buhari and was never paid for as maliciously reported in the publication, said police spokesman Commissioner Frank Mba, aka Frank Eba. Frank Eba, they the yarn nonsense. All of una no be better people. Frank Mba, and an Igbo person. Just like the other one where they call Ifunanya. The insinuations also by Sahara reporters that the IGP did not celebrate his extension smacks of ignorance and a pathetic misplacement of priority. The extension does not call for merrymaking or celebration, but a time for more work. Which work on the work? Rededication to duty and selfless service to the nation. The IGP, while assuring the nation of unwavering commitment by the force under his leadership to improve service delivery, safety, and security of the citizenry. All this now don't now. All that's still fake. They're not if you do anything. Now to kill Nigerian innocent people, now they do. When they see you, they will tell you, say, you'll be Boko Haram, now you'll be this, you'll be Hesman, now you'll be Yahoo Yahoo, now you'll be this, you'll be that. Recently, we see say them go Lagos State, go bust 27 people. Where they claim say they be Yahoo Yahoo people. You dey waka for road, you don't turn Yahoo Yahoo person. You carry bread, you don't turn Yahoo Yahoo person. The people when they wind their gun up and down in the street, when be the Fulani people, aka Fulani terrorists, they not be that them be the innocent people. So the police, all this thing, all this big grammar, I don't talk this thing before. All this big grandma no go help una. It no go help Nigerian people. Its leadership to improve service delivery, safety and security of the citizenry enjoins members of the public to disregard and discountenance the publication by the Sahara reporters as evidence untrue and unfounded. The IGP is undistracted and the force remain motivated and committed to delivering on its mandates, especially the task of neutralizing current and emerging internal security threats. Mr. Mba added, Mr. Eba, name be name, Frank Eba added. So, ladies and gentlemen, now the matter when concern Sowore and the IGP and the Mr. Frank Mba when they defend him boss. All the whole too much grammar, disregard, no listen, make Nigerian people no mind Sahara reporters. Now so all of them they talk. They are all guilty. Guilty of everything. These people. Then say the thing when make them dey there now to provide security for Nigerian people and for them to neutralize current and emerging internal security threats. Now, all this is what they yarn. Boko Haram did there, then be internal security threats. ISWAP did there, Hesmin did there, this is what they call kidnappers did there. Hesmin people did there, and cattle rustlers did there, thieves did there. A lot of criminal activities they happen in Nigeria. Steady. If they don't know, they don't know. But once they know, you are in trouble. Sahara reporters must put you out without fear. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you get anything we want to tell us today again, regarding these people, make una come tell us. Una know say na so be the nature of this platform when una dey watch. We are here to analyze and still, deep inside the whole matter and give una the facts. Na him make us dey here. We dey here to analyze all those people when be criminals when they Nigeria. Now funky this job be that. One love everybody. Make sure to subscribe and make sure to share our videos. Thank you very much and God bless you for watching.